Okay, so welcome back. Let me try and get the date right this time. I think it's Tuesday the 28th of December. We're just about to head out. There's only the three of us out today. No tag-ons today. So it's just myself, Josh and Connor from 4 Wheel Drive UK. We're going to head up round Llangollen, around that kind of area. Not been up there for a while. So hopefully something worth watching up there for you today. I'd like to just say a big thank you to everyone over Christmas. The YouTube channel seems to have gone a bit wild. Seems to be, I think I looked this morning, we're up to about 600 and something subscribers this morning, which is great news. Keep it going, peeps, keep it going. Keep sharing, getting it out there, leave us some comments, you know. But stick with us for today. Hopefully we should have something quite fun for you to watch.
Well, likely I'll get stuck. Got no CDL anyway, so I'm sure we'll get.
Thankfully, Dora's all her lockers and the CDL's back working. So we'll see how we go. We'll see how we go. Stick around. Close up on this burger. That's a folded joint in there normally. Okay, so not even got to the first track as yet. We're just about 3 or 4 miles outside of Llangollen in North Wales. Just got a shout on the radio to pull up. It seems Josh's front prop has thrown a bolt out. One of the UJs is knackered. Thankfully, we do have spares. Now there's the thing, spares. So we're just going to pull over now, side of the road, and swap over his front prop. Get us on. We're not far away from the first track then, so stick with us.
I for one won't leave. Is that what it is?
Now then, this is not the first time Josh has had to do this at the side of the road, so he's pretty well versed. Can't imagine this is going to take him very long.
Yeah. You guys collapsed up. Well, just by the way, you don't have to do it like that. It's all right. You've got to stare at me. Yeah, so you do. Always. Not both switch. First calamity of the day. Open the boot and just make sure it's flat from there. Before you yeah, there is. Give me a original prop back on now.
Oh, it's all fun, isn't it? It's all fun. Get a Land Rover, he said. It'll be fun, they said.
Changing a prop at the side of the road and the pissing down rain.
Fun, eh? Fun. We love a challenge.
Hey, look at that.
Party bus not doing too much partying right now. The old bleeper's going to have some work this time, isn't it?
Yes.
It's one of the things I noticed, you know, on some of our early videos. We didn't bleep an awful lot out, did we? And then the later ones, it's bleep, bleep, bleep.
Constant. It's at this moment I knew I bleeped up. Right. Nah, not yet. Pass me out of a prop. Yeah. That one. Smooth. Ow. That's no good, is it?
Now, this job would have been an awful lot quicker If somebody, no names mentioned, had have found out the correct tools for Josh to use, watch to the end and you'll see what I mean. Well done. No problem for Josh, that is it, eh? All the day's work, all the day's work. Onwards and upwards, eh? Got it cold, isn't it? So first track of the day, that was quite nice, tight, technical little lane there. Stick around, see what we get up to today. So everywhere's very wet today, which could, and I'm sure it will, turn into issues for the cars later in the day. Keep watching, see what happens. Bit of a tight squeeze for these big girls down here. Bit of a scratchy one, this. Ooh, listen to the paintwork. Ooh. Good job she's been raptored. A bit like Fairy Glen down here. Where's the best place to stop when you have to stop to close a gate? What do you think? In the river?
The light bar. Yeah.
I don't think he's impressed about that little puddle playing in it to shut the gate.
Nice place to stop there.
The gate is right.
There we go, look then. You really should have tried harder in school, you know.
Thankfully for Josh, it's not really sliders weather today. Surprising how difficult these could be, these little slippy, wet, muddy ruts like this on the grass. Not really got very aggressive tyres on at the moment. But we're managing, as you can see. Connor's keeping it going through there. Well, windy day up here today on Splashy Lane. Apologies for the poor sound. So we start off here on the steps, the rock steps, going up Splashy. Most of the time people drive down this. And you can see Connor there in big blue. No problem. Big wheel lift there, but since she's got her lockers in, doesn't really seem to worry. Over the next step there, showing her belly. Nice drive that, Connor, well done. Controlled. And up over the top. Take us through into the wash. Well done, lad, well done. Okay, so it's Dora's turn now. We'll give it a go up. Now, these steps can be quite challenging, depending on the weather and stuff like that. We've done this many times. But they are. From time to time, it can be really challenging. So here she comes round the corner. As you'll notice, smaller tyres now. We're running some road cruisers, giving them a go. Coming up to the first of the steps here. Wonder, will she lift the wheel? Will she lift the wheel? Oh, there she goes. See the lockers working. We're into the second of the big steps there. Oh, wheel lift again. Plenty of that going on this weekend. And off into the splash. Well done, me. So we've got Josh in the party bus coming up next. Now what we need to remember here is that Josh is not locked. He does have a CDL, but he has no front or rear lockers. So therefore we can fully expect Josh to give a little bit of noise going over those steps. Now he did say at the beginning he was going to start slowing down. What do you think? Here we go. Wheel lift up. Oh, and away he goes. Yeah, maybe keep that slowing down for next time, eh, Josh? Nice drive, boy. Nice drive. And into the splash.
Well, that was a spirited drive.
Splashy Lane, eh? Certainly living up to his name here for sure.
And here comes Dora. Can't see her having an issue with this puddle.
Hard in there on the party bus, Josh. I feel an issue coming on.
Oh dear, Josh went a bit quick through the splash. Getting better, getting better. Was very white a second ago. Getting better now. Party bus.
It's a lady.
The lady loves it.
Like Salisbury all over again.
And all because the lady loves Splashy Lane.
So a little while later, we're on our way back onto the tracks. Some more wet ruts, wheel lifts, keeping us on our toes today.
And first up here we got Big Dirty Dora. Wonder if she's going to lift some more wheels on the way up. Here's to the first step. Oh, and there she goes. Nice naughty wheel lift there. And she's up, not an issue.
Josh there with the party bus. Lifting the wheel. Needs some lockers, that boy. Needs some lockers. Looks like his right foot is fully recovered, along with the car. And then we've got Big Blue coming up. Wonder if she's going to show us her belly as she comes. And there she goes. Nicely driven, the boys, nicely driven. So, last of the puddles really here for the day. We're driving through here, as you can see these are really quite deep, quite wet, causing a few issues to be honest. This ended up towards the end of the day. Dora then developed some alternator issues, something we don't really carry as a spare. Party bus also didn't like the prop that we put on, so unfortunately we've had to call it a bit of a day there and cut it short, just to make sure that everybody gets home in one piece. Nobody wants to be sat at the side of the road waiting for recovery till the early hours. So enjoy it, stick with us, and we'll see you again soon. And finally, I'd like to make a big thank you for everyone for all your support. Don't forget now, like, subscribe, share, ring that little bell. We'll see you soon. Take care.
I bought a proper socket for the prop bolt.
It's in there.
It's not in there anymore.
Don't even look through, because if you find it now on my laptop.
Gosh.
I knew it was.
I'm such a I'm sorry, mate.
To be fair, I haven't got an awful crap.
Oh, Josh, I'm so sorry.
Have you got the right glasses on?
Oh, and all that out as well.
I know you had your whole lot.
Josh, I'm sorry, mate.
To be fair, I might need it, you know.
I didn't do that on purpose, I promise.